So I was asked, what was the biggest mistake I made starting my Independent LLC? The biggest mistake I made was while starting my Independent LLC, I was trying to maintain an image as well. So I was trying to be independent, but then also keep up, with the Joneses, so to speak. And I had to learn that when you're growing and you're building your business, you have to use the terminology that we use from the streets saying going for broke. You have to learn how to go for broke. Like, you have to learn how to live on less to make more. You get that? Learn how to live on less to make more. And that was a mistake I made. Now, have I learned from it? Oh, yeah. So, but I have seen how I could have been a whole lot further if I would have knew that. But at the same time, it wasn't meant, because I feel like when you're growing and you're being independent, it's stages. Especially when you out here, there isn't no certain blueprint. There is guidelines, and everybody get there different. So I had to learn that personally. That okay, it's not about what I look like right now, or what I'm driving or wearing, or all that things. It's about me building my brand, building my business, something that's going to outlive me, that's going to actually help build my family finances, where we can actually be independent to take trips and to do some of the things that I want to do. So there's nothing wrong with your desires. There's nothing wrong with wanting to do big things. Don't get me wrong. But you have to get your priorities in line, and knowing that before you be able to do big things, you got to do the small things. Hold on.